Yesterday I was going to, me and my friend Tina, we went to a basically like a community get together thing because my friend who was murdered, his mom always puts together something every year, and I just haven't had the guts to go for a couple of years, but I was just like, you know what, no. So we went there yesterday.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Anybody have a different answer? Which two numbers are we subtracting? Adam?
Hi, Shay. We gotta come back in a year because I'm gonna drop cherry trees right here. See if the cherry tree. What'd you say? Come back in a year, right? And see if there's cherry trees right there.
If I was like camera crew, I would film like The Office and make it real awkward. You really got to think about what you just said. Take it in. So yeah, she's a little anxious because we just smoked. And now she's just asking me 1,000,001 questions. I'm like, girl, just chill. Turn around, soak up the sun. She her back facing the sun. Like, don't disrespect the sun like that.
Our butts are green when we get up.
Our butts is definitely gonna be moist, but I don't know about green. This is really the cutest little camera ever. It looks like
Why so close?
Because I was seeing if it focuses.
This sun does feel good.
All right, bye.
Nah, this sun looks good in this camera. I'm missing part of the camera.
Natural lip tint.
Nah.
You see it, right?
It's look. Not doing a lip tint with the freaking cherry.
The deeper you want it, the more you rub.
Not Tina got me rubbing on my lips. Ooh. Oh yeah, but anyway, I haven't been vlogging. I'm bad at this. Right, Tina?
You say give me 10 bottles. It's 7 p.m. Friday.
95 degrees.
I ain't got no.
Don't. But yeah, I'm bad at vlogging at this point because we even ate the appetizers. And yeah, but I didn't know that it's half off appetizers after 10 o'clock. That's kind of tough. I feel like just late.
Talk about your day. How was your day? What you do?
It's the short but very intense stare. It's just that what you do. But yeah, I need to get in the habit of like picking up the camera when we're moving around, because when we were walking I could have been recording, but I didn't. But I could insert. We went to the park to celebrate a friend that had passed away a couple years ago. We went on a little zip lining thing. I could put in the video. All right, go.
I gotta have a grip for the lifetime.
Oh, that's cool. walked around a little bit, and we didn't eat there, so now we're at Applebee's.
We missed the food. We missed all the free food. We were only 2 hours, 1 hour late?
Hour and a half, I think.
We were only an hour and a half late. The food was gone. As soon as we walked in that bitch, it was packing up.
Literally all the food was gone. It was... I thought that there was going to be food being made until the end. Well, not like the very, very end, but a decent amount of time. But, yeah. We got some vitamin D.
Side of me.
Yes. Yeah, we got some vitamin D. Air. Yeah. How was your day, Tina?
My day was cool, you know. I've been wanting to be in nature, so that's what we did. The sun was busting, like she said. I had my feet in the grass. Everything was just beautiful. Yeah. I really wanted steak. What's that?
Oh, you gotta tell them what you ordered.
I really wanted Mama Juana, but here we are. But what I ordered was a burger, and we ordered wonton tacos.
Oh, yeah.
And boneless chicken bites.
But yeah, Mama Juana's was like 30 minutes from us, and I feel like it would have been passing. Yeah, it would have been passing my house, so it didn't make sense to go all the way up there. So we did something that's like kind of on the way, because I think from here it's 17 minutes to my house. So yeah, yeah. I mean, day wise, work was work. Literally, work was work. It went by fast. It went by fast for me too, but like, I was over it. Okay, so I'm debating if I want to make this a weekend vlog, because I might as well at this point, because I didn't really record yesterday like I wanted to. But in the video, I'm pretty sure you heard yesterday, I was going to, me and my friend Tina, we went to basically like a community get-together thing, because my friend who was murdered, his mom always puts together something every year, and I just haven't had the guts to go for a couple of years, but I was just like, you know what, no. So we went there yesterday. It was honestly good vibes. It was nice. It was very nice to see like how many people showed up, you know, to honor him. But yeah, today they have other stuff going on. Like they have like a roller skating thing, they have a 5K walk, but I still have to do stuff like, you know, like for the house or whatever. So I might go grocery shopping, and then they have like a house party thing too. I don't know how to roller skate, and I don't listen to house parties, so like I didn't want to be awkward and go. But I'm gonna see, because yeah, it was really nice. But right now what we're about to do is we're about to go bother my friend Jules at work. She works at Whole Foods. That's where I used to work too. And yeah, so I'm gonna go bother her, and I'm gonna go grocery shopping like while I'm there probably. And yeah, it's really hard vlogging, because you know what, I get awkward, and I have social anxiety. I don't know why, because then when I start talking to people are like, oh my gosh, blah, blah, blah. People love me, but I just get social anxiety, because it's just like I'm so awkward. I don't know what to say to you when I walk up to you. I'm like and it's crazy, because I'm not even really shy, because like I'll talk to somebody, and yeah. But yeah, I wanted to fill you guys in, because yesterday I feel like the videos are gonna be all over the place. At least now, like if you're watching the video, you see what's going on, you understand what was going on. Yeah, me and Tina went to the park. We were sitting around, we found a little zip line. I put videos in of like the zip line or whatever. We walked around the park a couple of times. We were just, you know, soaking up the sun, enjoying life. And then after that, we came too late for food because the food was gone by the time we got there. So we went to Applebee's. We ate our appetizers and didn't eat our like food. So yeah, I don't know if I showed the food that we didn't eat, but yeah, we messed up those appetizers but didn't eat the food. So I'm gonna have that for lunch probably because yeah. And when we were at the little park thing, got some cakes. I think there's cookies too. Yeah, and cookies. And it was a girl named Heaven on Sweets. That's her IG name. And I'm pretty sure her name's Heaven. And yeah, it was very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna try to pick up the camera. If I don't, sorry. But yeah, we'll just make this a weekend vlog. Might as well. Today's Saturday. And yep. Until the next. That's the point. So that way I can feel comfortable while I'm recording.
Recording, yeah. Oh my god.
I was about to show Jules, but she was just looking at that man like she wanted to kill him. Oh my god. Look. Hi guys. I'm crying. I was like, she was looking at that man like she wanted to kill him. Because before when I was recording, I told him that we would be there by now. We're not there yet. Because, you know, someone didn't listen to me when I said to get ready.
Is that? Yes, it is.
And now she's just now pulling up, and we still have a 25-minute drive to do. I'm not going to be there until like 6:22. I'm waiting in the front for her. I'm over here smacking. That's so annoying. I know I'm not gonna like
what
it.
is nasty?
I'm smacking on my gum.
Oh. Is it juicy fruit?
No, I hate juicy fruit.
I don't like it.
But yeah, she's taking forever. The time keeps changing on the GPS. I've been told this girl, let's go. She don't listen. She does not listen. That's why you gotta watch those Sagittarius, man. Sagittarius.
But okay.
Huh?
I don't know what that is, but okay.
You're not Sagittarius?
You know I don't do signs.
Oh yeah, she's a Sagittarius, and she acts just like
Oh,
one. They would have no time management.
I definitely have time management.
Gotta
Don't
get
do me.
no time management. It's okay because we're gonna go. Okay,
now.
I'm already here, girl. I'm in the handicap parking spot. Yes, I am. I'm in the handicap parking spot.
Oh, I see you. Thank you. You too.
Talking about she don't see me. I know where I'm at. How you gonna tell me that I'm not where I'm at? I know where I am. Got some nerve. Anyway, guys, I'll open this back up when I'm at the park. Hopefully it'll be soon. Mess around with her, it'll probably be like next year.
Shut up.
Quick, we gotta go. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming.
Faster enough for my fingers.
I'm scared to do it with one hand. Okay. Oh no, I should be fine. Oh my gosh. No, it's going slower. Now my shirt being caught. Oh, but yeah. Do a little zip lining. Why aren't you looking at the garbage saying it sound like it tastes good? The zip line. I'm out of breath like I freaking ran up and down. But yeah. What do we do now?
I don't know. You still out of breath?
No.
Let's run.
I'm not running. What?
Let's run to that green sign.
I'm not running.
Let's run to the green.
I'm not running. I haven't actually ran in so long.
Me too. See, the last time I ran. Well, I don't know if you want to count the train. You want to count that? I'm not counting that. It was in high school, my pacer test.
That's probably the last time I ran too.
So So let's do this. It's only right there.
I'm not running.
But say
I'm not running.
that's the light skin in you.
Okay, you know what? Fine. Now you're trying to call me out. So now, you know what? We're fucking running. Where are we starting at? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. You think is it gonna catch it?
I don't think so. You think so?
Hold on. Let me go like that. Okay.
Do Instagram no hands.
You not recording.
It did.
We're only running back. We're only running down, right? Oh, you moved it.
I did? I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
We're only running down, right?
Right
Not
here?
back.
No, we run it back.
No, I'm not running back.
You
I'm
gotta
only
run
running.
back.
No, I'll walk back.
No, that beats the purpose.
Don't be. Oh my gosh. You gonna start?
You're going ready, set, go. I should have worn crop. I should have worn sneakers. I should have worn sneakers.
You know I got big boobs. So my run down and
Why I
back.
feel like I got boobs on my feet? It just kept going. That's so good. I'm gonna go for a run tomorrow.
Oh heck no! I don't run.
I'm gonna go for a run tomorrow. I can get the body right. You ate when you got home?
Yeah, I ate some
The
leftovers.
pizza or the
Pizza. Cause I had that before I had the Applebee's, so I was like, let me eat that first.
So they're both going now?
What?
The Applebee's in the food?
No. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna put this down now because she got me out of breath. Okay, so I look crazy, but this is me filming an outro for the vlog because I didn't film one. For the rest of the weekend, I went mini golfing or like, I don't know, glow in the dark golfing. I don't know. I wasn't recording because it was like dark in there. And yeah. And then after that, went home. Wasn't much to it, so that's what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog. If you guys like vlogs or like me trying to vlog, I'll do it for a couple of days because one day isn't enough, I think, for my like a video. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that and all the randomness all put together, I'll keep trying to do it. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was kind of fun because like at least I could look back at it and have memories. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And your girl's out, okay?
You, how can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody do body like you do.